Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a workflow in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is actually on the left hand panel, click on this gear cog. It'll take you to admin settings, and then here I want you to click on teams and territories. And here under teams and territories you'll see this first option that says workflows. I want you to click on this one, and you can use any of these templates, okay, for example, or you can create your own workflow. You can click on create workflow, and then you can design your workflow, okay. Choose the record types as well, the modules you'll be running this workflow for, the sales activities, when to trigger these, what conditions should be met. So I'll show you this with a sample one. So I'll click on cancel, click on this one. This is a template. So this is a welcome email to new leads. So whenever we have a new lead, they'll get a welcome email. And this one will be run for contacts, and it will be triggered when the contact is created, and it will be run once for each contact because it's just a welcome email. You're not going to be welcoming them each time multiple times, right? What conditions should be met? So the contact, the sales owner, is not empty. So if it's not empty, then this action should be executed. Of course, you can add more groups, you can add more actions as well. So here the action is for contacts, and then they're basically adding this task. You can set up your own tasks, and this task is just a reminder for each contact assigned. You can do a description, the due date. So basically 3 days after the new contact is created, they will get a reminder that this should have been done. And within 3 days, they should have gotten a welcome message. Then you can save this up, and you can come here, enable this. You can test your workflow as well. Select a contact to test. Let's do J right here. Search him up. We'll test him out, and we'll see. So the conditions have been met. Sales owner is not empty, and then the task will be added for the welcome email. And you can just enable this workflow, and it will be running in the background. Really that easy, and that is how to create a workflow in Freshsales.